Hey everyone, Dr. Sai here again with part 6 of our gaming wellness series. Today we're going to talk about eye strain and what you can do to prevent it. We'll start by going over the common symptoms of eye strain. You might notice burning, difficulty focusing, or constant watering in your eyes. These are all signs that your eyes are fatigued and could use a break. Similar to the rest of the body, the best way to minimize stress buildup in the eyes is to reduce the rate at which it builds up. We'll start with your environmental setup. Although it might look cool to sit in a dark room with your monitor going, this is incredibly tough on your eyes. The contrast between the bright light of the screen and the darkness around it makes it difficult for your eyes to stay correctly focused. It's important to keep your gaming space as well lit as possible, or at least have multiple sources of light around your screen. RGB can help a little bit with this, but it's unlikely to be bright enough to provide adequate lighting. The second consideration is monitor distance. We touched on this a bit in our video on ergonomics, but it's worth revisiting. The monitor should be about an arm's length away from your face and should be angled to aim directly at your eyes. A sign that you might be tiring is that your face will slowly start to move closer to the monitor as you play. Your eyes focus on objects by contracting small muscles called the ciliary muscles to either stretch or relax the lens. As these muscles fatigue, you'll compensate by leaning closer and closer to your screen to allow those muscles to rest. Pay attention to these signs early on. Some of you might have heard of the 20-20-20 rule as well. If not, it's a common recommendation in which you look at an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds after every 20 minutes of screen time. This is not usually possible while playing most games. So what I recommend is looking at an object as far away as possible for at least 30 seconds after every game. Pick the furthest point away in your room and stare at it for about 30 seconds while blinking rapidly. Doing this early on in your gaming session will help keep your eyes feeling fresh for longer. This brings up another good habit to have while playing, which is being aware of your blink rate. Most games demand full attention, and oftentimes gamers will spend an entire minute or longer without blinking. Try to find windows of time while playing that you can actually think about blinking a few times to keep your eyes feeling fresh. Whether in between rounds, going back to base, or at any other relaxed point in the game, think about blinking a few times rapidly in order to refresh your eyes. This helps keep your eyes from drying out as you play. The last point I want to go over is blue light blocking glasses. Although there's some controversial evidence, both for and against, most research indicates that blue light blocking glasses can help reduce pain and possibly the effects of eye strain. That wraps up our tips for good visual habits while playing. Try these out and remember to listen to your body when it comes to discomfort. If you're squinting and your eyes are burning, you're not playing at your best anyway, so it's probably a better idea to just take a break. Remember, your eyes are arguably the most important tools that you have for gaming, so please take care of them. Thanks for watching.